Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You need hair that is clean and only slightly damp. This helps shape fibers without mildew. Once ready, fold a medium-weight towel to about half its width for even pressure. Start by forming loose, freeform sections with your fingers. Do not force precise parts, because natural texture holds better. Then, wrap each section gently with the folded towel, rolling toward the scalp while applying light, steady pressure. This encourages matting and removes excess moisture. Make sure to work methodically across the head, so sections form uniformly. You want controlled friction, that's the core idea. Once wrapped, occasionally lift the towel and palm roll each section with short, firm strokes. This trains strands to interlock. Make sure to alternate gentle scrunching with brief twisting. Scrunching preserves texture, twisting concentrates knots. If hair is high porosity, reduce dwell time. If low porosity, increase it. Continue this cycle for 20 to 40 minutes, checking sections every 10-15 minutes. This gradual approach builds structure without damaging ends, so be patient and consistent. You must let the hair set until fully dry. Moisture left inside prevents stable dreads. Once dry, unwrap carefully and only separate tangles where a clear part is necessary. Over-manipulation creates frizz, not formation. If some sections didn't knot, rewrap those areas and repeat the palm rolling routine for another short session. That is the key troubleshooting step. Finally, avoid heavy oils or creams right after forming, because they can loosen knots. Light maintenance and patience will make freeform dreads mature nicely over weeks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.